Welcome back to Market Cafe right here on ET Now. And as we step closer to the end of this year, we have a roundup of what powered your portfolio this year. What asset classes performed best? Let me take it across to Kanishka, who is here to present the whole picture. Kanishka.
Absolutely. So here's a quick look at the 2025 portfolio heat map. Now, where did your money really work? Let's start with equities. Now, they had a solid ride this year. Nasdaq, that actually stole the spotlight, zooming 22.5% on a tech-fueled rally. This data is as of December 11th. This was fueled by large-cap tech majors. Apart from that, Nifty, that saw gains of about 9.5%, whereas Sensex, that added about 8.5% in the year 2025. Commodities and crypto, they added extra sparkle. Now, gold, that shone bright with 63% returns, and silver, that dazzled with 120% returns. Meanwhile, crypto, that stayed wild. Bitcoin, that slipped about 1.5% YTD, that is year to date. But remember, between Jan and July, it saw a cool 24% of gains, showing the excitement and volatility that crypto can bring around. Meanwhile, FD rates, they eased about 55 basis points in 2025. That's following RBI's rate revisions. This reflects softer interest rate conditions, which means while FD returns may not be very high, those who have loans did get some much needed relief. So yes, that's about the YTD returns from some key asset classes. But what about you? Where did your money really work? Now, where does your portfolio stand now? So let's break that down for you. So if you're invested about 1 lakh rupees at the start of 2025 across assets, now your investment in Nasdaq, that would be around 1,22,370 rupees. Nifty would have given you a return of 1,09,540 rupees. And a 1 lakh rupee in Sensex would now be worth 1,08,470 rupees. Now on to the big gainers, precious metals. If you'd bought gold worth 1 lakh rupees at the start of the year, its value would now be 1,63,000 rupees. Returns are even higher as far as silver is concerned, more than double. 2,20,000 rupees is where your silver would be if you had invested 1 lakh at the start of the year. Meanwhile, Bitcoin, that would have ensured that you've had a loss of about 1,470 rupees if you had invested about 1 lakh. And now on to the safe and safety bet, that's FT. 1 lakh rupee FT, that's grew around to around 1,06,420 rupees. That's safe, reliable and steady. So remember, we've used 6.80% as the rate, which is from June 2024 onwards on a pro rata basis, since that was the start, that was the rate at the start of the year, that is in January 2025. So yes, that's the big takeaway. Equities were strong with tech leading on Nasdaq. Metals, they've dazzled, crypto thrilled, and FTs, they've stayed safe as usual. 2025 does prove that the right mix makes your money work hard and shine.
All right. Thank you so much, Kanishka, for highlighting all those details. But